The moment she starts missing you won't be the moment you think it is. It won't happen when you stop texting. It won't happen when you post a picture looking strong. And it definitely won't happen because you tried to make her jealous. It happens quietly internally, almost invisibly, and by the end of this video you're going to understand exactly why. If you value psychological depth and real emotional insight, take a second to like and subscribe. Not for validation, but because these conversations matter. Most men were never taught this. Now let's talk about something difficult. When a woman takes a man for granted, it rarely feels dramatic at first. There's no announcement, no villain, no obvious betrayal. It feels subtle, gradual, like a slow shift in emotional gravity. In the beginning, she may have admired your steadiness, your loyalty, your consistency. You showed up, you listened, you cared, and over time that reliability became expected. Predictability replaced appreciation. This isn't about women being cruel. It's about human psychology. The mind adapts quickly to what feels secure. When something feels guaranteed, the brain conserves emotional energy around it. Effort decreases, curiosity softens, gratitude fades into the background. And if you're a man who loves deeply and shows up consistently, you can accidentally become emotional infrastructure, necessary but unnoticed. You start giving more, hoping she'll feel it again, hoping she'll remember what you bring. But the more you overextend, the more the dynamic quietly shifts. Your effort becomes baseline, your presence becomes assumed. Here's the truth most men don't hear. Being taken for granted is not a sign that you lack value. It's often a sign that you gave value without boundaries. When a woman slowly stops seeing the weight of what you provide emotionally, mentally, spiritually, it's usually because there was never a moment where she felt the cost of losing it. Humans measure importance through contrast. Light is appreciated in darkness. Warmth is valued in cold. Presence is understood in absence. And when you are always there, always steady, always forgiving, she never experiences contrast. So she doesn't feel your depth. Not yet. The missing doesn't begin when you argue. It doesn't begin when you demand recognition. It begins when your emotional energy changes. When you stop over-explaining, when you stop chasing reassurance, when you stop trying to convince someone to see you. Because something powerful happens when a man withdraws emotionally. Not in anger, not in manipulation, but in clarity. The emotional space you once filled becomes visible, and that's when the psychology shifts. But before you misunderstand this is not about playing games. It's about understanding something fundamental about attraction, attachment, and perception. And in the next part of this conversation, we're going to explore why absence alone is not enough and what truly triggers the moment she begins to feel your loss. When she finally begins to feel the emptiness left by your absence, it's rarely sudden, it's subtle, it creeps in through the cracks she never noticed before. You see, women, like all humans, have an emotional radar, but this radar only activates when the familiar landscape of their life starts to shift. For months, maybe even years. She may have assumed your presence is infinite. You're reliable, loyal, steady, emotionally available, the kind of man most people would be lucky to have. And because she took that for granted, she forgot what it felt like to notice you. She forgot the small, meaningful gestures. She forgot the way your calmness, your insight, your steadiness anchored her world. This is where many men misunderstand the process. They think that missing you is purely about absence, that as long as you stop showing up physically or stop texting, she will immediately feel a void. That's not accurate. Absence alone does not trigger longing. Emotional absence does. When you pull back from emotional overinvestment, when you no longer give yourself to fill her gaps, the mind starts to notice what's missing. She realizes, often unconsciously at first, that someone who once supported, understood, and studied her is no longer an emotional safety net. And that realization is uncomfortable. It's disorienting. It forces reflection. Here's a key point many men never consider. The brain craves patterns. Your consistency created a predictable pattern. She may not have consciously valued it, but her mind adapted to it like a background rhythm she stopped consciously hearing. When that rhythm disappears, the silence is startling. And this silence forces an awareness of what she has lost. It's not about regret yet, it's not about guilt, it's about recognition. Recognition that the life she had with you included more than she consciously appreciated. And this recognition triggers subtle longing. She begins to mentally retrace the moments you were there, the small ways you made life smoother, calmer, more secure. But here's the part most men miss. Longing does not mean she's ready to change, to apologize, or to value you properly. It's merely the first stirrings of understanding the depth of what was there. Longing without perspective can be shallow. Without reflection, she may feel something is missing, but misidentify the cause. She might blame herself vaguely or dismiss it entirely. The emotional weight of your absence must intersect with her own self-awareness for the real shift to occur. And this is where the most powerful psychological dynamic begins. The point at which she starts truly missing not just a man, but the stability, respect, and presence she took for granted. This is the subtle, almost invisible psychology at play. And understanding this prepares you to navigate it without desperation, without trying to force recognition. You can witness it, understand it, and continue to build your life without needing permission, approval, or validation. Next, we'll explore the exact behaviors and internal shifts that mark the moment she begins to truly feel your value. The kind of awareness most men wait decades to experience. What she feels when she begins to truly miss you isn't always obvious, and it often doesn't come with words. She might seem distant, distracted, or even indifferent. On the surface, it looks like nothing has changed, but underneath, her mind is running simulations. She's replaying moments where you were patient, generous, steady, and reliable. She's noticing the absence of your calm presence in ways she never noticed while it was constant. This is why so many men misread her behavior. They see her texting less, being quieter, or appearing preoccupied, and they assume it's rejection or disinterest. The truth is far more subtle and far more powerful. She is processing the loss of something she never fully recognized in real time. Her brain is working through patterns of attachment, habits, and emotional cues, trying to locate the source of the void she suddenly feels. Here's an important point. Missing you is not the same as wanting you back, at least not yet. The initial stage is purely cognitive and emotional. She feels the absence, notices the value she ignored, and experiences a sense of imbalance. Humans naturally try to restore equilibrium, but if she hasn't consciously reflected on her behavior, she might misattribute what's missing. She may think she simply needs a different distraction, or she may feel a vague unease she can't quite name. And this is where your mindset becomes crucial. Many men, sensing she's noticing, rush to fill the gap. They over-explain, over-apologize, or try to remind her of their worth. But these efforts rarely create recognition. They dilute it. Value isn't proven by insistence, it's proven by consistent presence in action and absence in restraint. When you stop overextending, she begins to measure your absence against the life she has now, and that measurement reveals what she overlooked. She might start noticing things she never acknowledged before: your patience, your ability to listen without judgment, your subtle expressions of care, and the way you navigated challenges without drama. These are qualities that feel ordinary when always present, but extraordinary in their absence. And when the mind finally compares, it triggers a complex mix of emotions: longing, reflection, and sometimes regret. Here's the paradox. The stronger her attachment was, the longer it takes for this recognition to fully surface. Emotional familiarity can blind us to value. People often only see what they lost when they experience life without it. That's why you'll sometimes hear men say, "She only realized what I meant to her after I left." Psychologically, that's exactly how it works. Absence combined with consistency triggers awareness. But awareness alone doesn't guarantee action. This missing phase is internal. She may feel the gap, but she hasn't yet decided how or even if she wants to respond. She's not ready for confrontation, apology, or reconciliation. She's merely noticing, and this noticing is the seed of eventual clarity. In the next part, we'll dive into the subtle signals she begins to show, the unconscious ways she communicates that she's starting to value you, even if she hasn't said it out loud. These cues are quiet, but they speak volumes about her inner process. The moment she begins to show it subtly, unconsciously, is when the real shift starts. These signals aren't loud or dramatic. They're quiet, almost invisible. They're the little things that make a man pause and think, "Wait, she's noticing me differently." It could be the way she remembers details you once mentioned and brings them up unexpectedly, or how she suddenly seems more present in conversation, asking questions not out of obligation, but out of genuine curiosity about your life. Maybe she laughs at your jokes more, or she seems softer in tone, not in a manipulative way, but because she's processing the absence of your presence. She might also begin to reach out in small ways, but without expectation. A simple text, a fleeting message, an invitation, not to reclaim, but to reconnect. These are not overt apologies, and they're not confessions of guilt. They're indicators that she is realizing the stability, care, and respect she once overlooked. Psychologically, this is fascinating. Humans are wired to notice contrast. When something that was once constant is suddenly less available, it sparks a re-evaluation process. Her mind starts to measure the quality of your past presence against the current state of her life. And this mental comparison often triggers subtle behavioral shifts before she can consciously articulate what's happening inside her. The tricky part for men is not misreading these signals because they are faint. They are often fleeting. She may show interest one day and pull back the next. That push-pull isn't a game, it's the natural fluctuation of someone discovering a missing element they never valued fully. Her mind is calibrating, testing her own emotions, trying to understand the weight of what's absent. Here's where patience becomes your greatest strength. The more you remain grounded, the more you continue building your life with purpose, the more her subconscious will register the contrast between what she had and what she is now facing without you. When a man stays calm, consistent, and emotionally centered during this period, he isn't chasing validation. He's allowing her mind to do the work of recognition naturally. And the beauty of this stage is that it isn't about you trying to win her back. It's about clarity. She is starting to see the value that was always there, the things she took for granted, and the emotional weight you carried quietly. This is the stage where respect and awareness begin to resurface. First in thought, then in behavior, but even now, missing doesn't always equal action. She may feel the gap, yet remain uncertain about how to fill it. This is why the final stages of recognition require both patience and self-possession. You can witness the process without needing to intervene, because the deepest lessons for both of you come from absence, reflection, and the internal acknowledgement of what was overlooked. In the next section, we'll explore what ultimately makes her longing deepen, what transitions missing into meaningful appreciation, and why this moment often comes long after the fact, when real understanding has had time to develop. The deep longing, the kind that makes her pause and reconsider, doesn't happen overnight. It's cumulative. It's built layer by layer through absence, reflection, and the realization that what she once dismissed had far more value than she acknowledged. This is the stage where psychology becomes undeniable. She begins to feel the weight of what she lost, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. At first it may be subtle. She notices your absence in routine moments, a quiet dinner, an evening walk, or the way she manages challenges alone without your calm perspective. She may start remembering conversations where your advice was steady, your presence comforting, your patience unwavering. These memories are tinted now with a clarity she never had when you were there. Here's an essential insight. Missing you is not about regret alone. It's about contrast. The mind measures significance through what is gone. What was predictable and undervalued becomes remarkable when removed. The life she had with you, the stability, respect, and understanding, now feels incomplete without your input. That incompleteness triggers reflection, and reflection can be powerful. She might begin to analyze her choices quietly, questioning why she overlooked what she had. She may notice patterns in her life where your influence was stabilizing and suddenly your absence feels like a vacuum. These realizations are often internal, silent, and even confusing for her. She hasn't fully processed them yet, but her subconscious is mapping the difference. This is where most men make critical mistakes. They assume longing equates to reconciliation or immediate recognition. It doesn't. Longing is a psychological stir. It's the awareness of absence paired with the understanding of value. It's not about forcing outcomes. It's about letting the process unfold. The more composed and purposeful you remain in your life, the more she will notice the contrast. And paradoxically, the deeper her longing grows, the more she begins to respect the man she once overlooked. Appreciation is never instant. It's earned in the gap created by clarity and absence. It emerges from seeing what was once a given now as irreplaceable. This is the point where missing transforms into meaningful reflection, where emotional awareness leads to genuine understanding. By this stage, she's not only noticing your absence, she's processing the life you gave that she took for granted. The consistency, the calmness, the patience, the quiet strength, And this awareness often comes with an emotional weight that surprises her, sometimes leaving her uncertain about how to respond. When this stage is reached, you've done nothing manipulative. You've simply maintained your dignity, your boundaries, and your life. And in doing so, you allow her mind to catch up to your reality, to understand, often for the first time, what she truly lost. In the final section, we'll uncover the turning point, what solidifies her realization, and how true respect and acknowledgement finally emerge, not through pressure or chasing, but through the natural psychology of absence, value, and reflection.